Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up fingerprint unlock on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into the settings, find the security and privacy, then the device unlock, and face and fingerprint unlock. Here we need to enter our PIN or password, then fingerprint. Hit more and agree. Now touch the sensor. It's on the right side of your phone. Use your index finger. I'll lift the phone so it's easier for me to scan. Now lift and touch again. Keep lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. Okay, and it's nearly done. Done. And that's pretty much it. We can now test it. And it's working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.